want to start with some breaking news. We were just learning now from the White House that the White House has appointed one of their Health and Human Services staffers to essentially be the liaison here in Flint for the federal response. Assistant Secretary for Preparedness and Response, Nicole Lurie, has been designated to lead the federal response here in Flint. Meanwhile, the mayor of Flint meeting with the president, as we're hearing now from more of those crippled by the crisis. President Obama will not visit Flint tomorrow on his visit to Detroit, but will meet with its mayor at the White House today. Before that meeting, the mayor spoke to Action News.
I think he needs to hear firsthand what's going on in Flint.
She plans to ask for deeper declarations that would help the water crisis. Meanwhile, in Flint, we were there as class action lawsuits were filed. They're asking, among other things, for an injunction to prevent water shutoff notices for non-payers and for the courts to declare future water bills invalid. The goal is also to force disclosures from the governor and his staff.
Everybody is in the same position. They have all been victimized by these unconstitutional actions of these public officials.
One of the plaintiffs, a Flint mother whose children are now at risk due to lead exposure.
All three of my sons are suffering the side effects of heavy metals poisoning. I'm frustrated because they lied to us. That as a mother, I should have been able to protect my children. I never knowingly would have handed poison to my kids.
Back here live, we're at the fire headquarters. I want to give you a live look at the line of cars that just shows all the people that still need water here in Flint. Take a look at that, and you can see the National Guardsmen here that have been passing out water for the last couple of days, doing a grueling job in cold conditions, but the demand is still high here, as you can see just from the never-ending line of cars of people lining up to get water. We'll have much more coming up at 5 o'clock. For now, we're live in Flint. I'm Jonathan Carlson, the Now Detroit.